guys. Today we're going to Ortigas again. Well, Podium. Ready na ba kayo? Hi, we're in the train. Tap na. Over the window. By this window we have the boxes I like and I wrote it. Going to Ortigas. Okay, ADB is here na. Time for Podium.
When was the first time we went here?
2020.
Oh, pandemic.
Nice. Ayan na. Ito yung condo. Then Podium. Last tower. Alright, this is Podium. Ben's Cookies time. Ito, Ben's Cookies. Yung sa baba, formerly SM Supermarket. Yummy cookies. Ayan na. Sobrang lamig dito sa Podium Hall. Ito yung view ng Julia Vargas, mga tall buildings at iba. Ayos. Ayan na, SM Mega Mall. This part is demolished because of redevelopment. Coming soon. So look at this robot over there. Isn't it cool? It's Bruce! Shangri-La time. Look at the stores. Awesome. So, yung Lego store. Used to have Dionysi, but it's closed.